Let's get connected with our expert on your portfolio today. I have with me Anil Rego, founder and CEO, Right Horizons, who will be answering your portfolio queries. And Anil, hi, good evening. Welcome to the show. And before I take up the first question, okay, I think we already have a viewer connected on the phone line. I think I'm talking to Abhilash Gumadi. Hi, Abhilash. Good evening. You're calling from?
Hi, ma'am. This is Abhilash calling from Hubli, Karnataka.
All right. I can see a couple of funds in your portfolio. 4 mutual funds. You're an aggressive investor. Current value of portfolio is 73 lakhs and invested 10 lakhs in Motilal mid cap also as lump sum. Stepping up is your strategy, 15% annually, and 7 years planning for 3 CR portfolio. Okay, fantastic. I think a significant amount of investment you are already doing. So, anything to add, or can I just proceed and ask Anil about your strategy?
No, nothing to add. This is the
Okay,
Saturday.
sure, sure.
Yeah.
All right, Anil. Okay, so the goal of 3 CR in next 7 years with the current investment amount, with a plan to step it up 15% annually. You think it's possible?
Yeah, definitely. Actually, he is investing a good amount, so
Sure.
he is able to achieve his goal, very, very easily. So achieving the goal is definitely not a problem. I think a little bit of my observation is the funds that he has. I mean, a lot of them in the small cap side. You have Quant, you have Bandhan, and Nippon, all small cap. And to top it up, he also has a Motilal Oswal micro cap 250, right? So the point is, everything is in one sort of market cap category. And there are times when, we've seen volatility and they could see very large falls at that point of time. The second part of it is there are periods when large caps do well, there are periods when mid caps do well. All of it is very nice today when mid caps are doing better. Okay, but if he comes into a period where mid caps take a pause and large caps do well, so which is why we normally suggest to do a combination. So from that standpoint, I think I would recommend maybe a quant small cap can be a bit of an exit. Apart from that, Motilal Oswal also micro cap. Nothing against the fund, but I'm just saying that it's already overexposed. So we're looking at where can we reduce risk. Then I would think that an ICICI Pru large and mid cap may be an option for them to look at. Okay, as well as the HDFC mid cap opportunities. So we've maintained a higher risk profile. So we've not necessarily gone into pure large caps when I'm recommending it. So so keeping that in mind, I think a little bit of lowering of risk may be good for him.
All right, definitely you are an aggressive investor, Abhilash, but then despite that, you've been asked to lower your risk. Anything else you want to ask, Anil?
Yes, madam. I got what
Sure.
Anil sir is saying, and thanks for his suggestion. Only thing is, I wanted to do SIP of 7 years, but I will not be doing any SIP after 7 years. I will keep it remain hold for another couple of 8 years. So it will be 15 to 16 years plan in this time. After which,
Okay.
because I have simultaneously started my business, I'm a software developer, so I was started a tarpaulin business also. After 7 to 8 years, I want to concentrate there. But I will not be touching my portfolio for another 15, 16 years. So I was planning so aggressively.
Got it.
So I don't have any plan of SWC for another 16, 17 years. As I have my daughter only of around 1.5 years.
Got it.
So,
Got it. All right.
okay, madam.
Sure,
Okay.
sure. Let's connect with Anil once again. Anil, any change in strategy or any further recommendation?
Yeah, I think for the background that he gave, Abhilash, I think you also have to keep in mind you're starting your business. So I would think that, either you have liquidity stashed away somewhere else. Otherwise, I would even go one notch lower, at least on one fund that can give you some liquidity, right? So if that's the case, just think about it and see if you have sufficient liquidity to take care of your family, while you are in business or any business requirements are there, keep that in mind. And if so, I would even suggest a balance advantage fund from, let's say, HDFC. Okay, but otherwise, I would still, I think, maintain that there are different cycles that you see, And sometimes the difference between large and mid cap over a longer period of time sort of come down a lot more in terms of differential percentages. So it could also, I'm also saying that, if you hit a bad patch, I'm just saying, for example, at the end of your third year or fourth year or fifth year, okay, that's where the problem comes. May not be so much so in the short term. But yes, the good part for you is you're looking at holding it for a period after that and not necessarily wanting to take it. So I think it's good for you to do a little bit of a financial plan and then decide, do you want to do a bit of a tweak.
All right, Abhilesh, that's quite a detailed financial plan that Anil has given you. All the best for your investment journey. And with that, Anil, I think we were just able to take one question on this show today. But having said that, I think a clear-cut strategy that you've suggested to Abhilash, that's brilliant. Thank you so much for being there for us every week and helping our viewers, strategize their financial goals. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And with that, it's a wrap on the Money Show as well. But then I'm going to leave you with our WhatsApp number and email ID where you need to send across your portfolio queries. And if at all you need any help, assistance from our experts, we are there to help you. Just send across your questions on our WhatsApp number and email ID. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.